Hi guys, Funky Kev here, and we are back with a unboxing. So my FTX Mauler rock crawlers in the being fixed. So I decided to treat myself and buy myself a bit better for a crawler quality. This is the Elemental Enduro, I think it's called. Now, at the minute, it looks really good. Someone recommended this, saying it was a good crawler, and for the price, which it is on the Model Sport at, there you can see that, 379. It should be 440 should be. So apparently it's got a lot of upgrades on it already, so I don't need to do much. So let's have a look inside. So I don't know much about it, but it looks good. You can adjust all your suspension so you can make the ride. I'll show you here. So you can make it higher or lower, I gather. I think it's got a 540 motor, which I can actually look on here. So let's look on here. This is a bit better. So it's got behind the axle steering, aluminium steering plates. I'll leave you looking at the truck a minute. It's got aluminium shock body threads, servo, classic mounted servo, universal front axles, 12mm hex, telescopic drive shaft for front and rear, one piece rear axle design. It's got metal ring gear, steel top shaft, 5mm heavy duty steel links, metal ball bearings, well, 25 steel 25 servo horn, an adjustable front track bar, which I gather is around here. So this runs on 2S LiPo. Don't know if it can run 3S, but you don't really want it, do you, for that? The big problem I had is in the parts. It comes with a larger battery tray. As you see there, you get the shorty. But the big battery tray, if you put it on, you can't put the body on. The battery tray is too long. So I've noticed that as a big flaw design. So you've got to run it as shorty, even so they give you a large battery tray, it just won't take it. And you also get a load of all parts. There's your battery tray, which don't fit, so that's a waste of time. You get your pinion there, another pinion, servo arms. I've just the bars there. I know it's not very good because I've got it all sealed up. Bars there to high your body up a bit more if you want. I'm guessing that is your spur gear. All different servo horns and some, I think, link chain, so if they call them that, them there. It comes with your standard, I'll just move over here, your stickers all here, which we'll get out. There you go. I think you've got to cut them, but there it is. And here is your transmitter, which is just your basic steering trim, throttle trim. You got a 3-channel round somewhere around here, I think it is. Oh no, you got a 3-channel there. So it's just your box standard thing, but looking at that down there, you can always just put your own on. Take that off, whip them out, and just fit your own receiver. So I mean that's it, guys. I can't wait to take this out and see what it can do. So stay tuned for more videos on this going rock crawling. I've got some places in mind. So remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and leave a comment, and I will see you all next time.